The best metal detectors offer advanced technology and high sensitivity, making treasure hunting and relic searching more efficient and exciting. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these devices provide accurate detection, depth adjustment, and discrimination features to differentiate between valuable metals and unwanted debris. Investing in one of these best metal detectors ensures improved accuracy, enhanced ground balance, and durability for all terrains, from beaches to forests. With lightweight designs and waterproof options, they provide comfort, reliability, and the thrill of discovering hidden treasures with ease. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 6 best metal detectors to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 6. Fisher Labs Gold Bug Pro. If you're serious about gold prospecting, the Fisher Gold Bug Pro is a game changer. Fisher Labs is known for making top-tier metal detectors, and this one is built specifically for finding small gold nuggets with incredible precision. With a 19 kHz operating frequency, it thrives in mineralized soils where other detectors struggle. What makes the Gold Bug Pro stand out is its V-break tone discrimination, a first in the industry. This means you can differentiate valuable gold from trash, saving you time and frustration. The real-time ground balancing keeps track of mineralization levels, adapting to tough terrain effortlessly. If you've ever struggled with false signals, this feature is a lifesaver. Another big win? Adjustable threshold and gain control. You get to fine-tune sensitivity depending on soil conditions, ensuring you maximize depth and accuracy. Plus, at just 2.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough for long hunts without wearing you down. Whether you're a seasoned prospector or a weekend treasure hunter, this detector is a must-have. It combines power, precision, and ease of use in a way that makes finding gold exciting and efficient. If you're hunting for the best, the Gold Bug Pro won't disappoint. Number 5. Garrett ACE APEX. Garrett is a trusted name in metal detecting, and the ACE APEX proves why. Its multi-flex technology is a game changer, letting you switch between single frequencies or multi-frequency modes, making it adaptable to any terrain. Whether you're scanning for coins, relics, or hunting in salty beach conditions, this detector handles it all with precision. One of my favorite features is the iron volume control, which lets you adjust iron target sounds separately. This means you can ignore junk signals while still picking up valuable finds. The Z-Link wireless technology is another major plus. It's 6 times faster than Bluetooth, so you get real-time audio without any annoying delays. The Viper's search coil covers a lot of ground while still providing sharp target separation, especially in cluttered areas. Plus, at just 2.5 pounds, it's light enough for long detecting sessions without fatigue. The built-in lithium-ion battery lasts up to 15 hours, so no worrying about constant battery swaps. If you want a high-performance, all-terrain metal detector with cutting-edge tech, the Garrett ACE APEX is an absolute winner. It's powerful, flexible, and user-friendly, perfect for both beginners and pros. Number 4. Minelab Equinox 900. The Minelab Equinox 900 bundle offers everything you need for an incredible metal detecting experience. With multi-IQ technology, this powerful detector uses multiple frequencies simultaneously, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Whether it's gold, silver, or jewelry, it's perfect for any environment, from parks and fields to beaches, making it a true all-terrain machine. Weighing only 2.8 pounds, the Equinox 900 is incredibly lightweight, and the carbon fiber shafts make it even easier to transport. You'll love how it packs down to just 24 inches, making it travel-friendly. The detector also offers 6 single frequencies, giving you complete control over your search and helping you target specific finds. Minelab thought of everything with this bundle. The Profine 35 pinpointer with DIF technology helps pinpoint exact locations with precision, while the Universal Detector carry bag keeps everything organized and easy to carry. If you plan on hunting in low light or after sunset, the Equinox 900 has you covered with a control pod flashlight, red backlight display, backlit keypad, and hand grip vibration. It's the perfect bundle for serious prospectors or anyone eager to take their treasure hunting to the next level. Number 3. Nokta The Legend. The Nokta The Legend lives up to its name as one of the most versatile and high-performance metal detectors available. As Nokta's first simultaneous multi-frequency detector, it's designed to tackle all terrains and target types, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned detectorists. Whether you're searching for gold, relics, coins, or jewelry, this machine adapts effortlessly to various ground conditions. What sets the Legend apart is its rugged, waterproof design, built to withstand harsh environments without compromising performance. Unlike some high-end competitors, it delivers exceptional depth, accuracy, and stability, even in mineralized soil or saltwater beaches. Plus, it comes at a price that challenges industry standards, making advanced technology more accessible. The simultaneous multi-frequency technology ensures you're detecting more while missing less, and its intuitive interface makes adjusting settings a breeze. Whether you're hunting in parks, fields, or deep water, the Legend delivers reliable results every time. If you want a serious metal detector that balances power, durability, and affordability, Nokta The Legend is a must-have. It's the perfect blend of cutting-edge features and user-friendly operation, making treasure hunting more efficient and exciting than ever. Number 2. XP Deus II. The XP Deus II isn't just another metal detector, it's a game changer. XP has taken things to the next level by creating the first fully wireless, multi-frequency detector with zero lag. That means the coil, remote control, headphones, and optional pinpointer all communicate instantly, ensuring no delay between detecting and hearing a target. If you've ever been frustrated by slow signal processing, this fixes that problem completely. What really makes the Deus II stand out is its FMF technology. This allows it to perform incredibly well in all terrains, whether you're hunting in a park, a field, or even deep underwater, because yes, it's waterproof up to 20 meters. If you're serious about metal detecting, this means you can take it anywhere without worrying about performance issues. Beyond its cutting-edge tech, the Deus II is lightweight, fast, and accurate. The patented XP radio protocol ensures ultra-fast data transmissions, so you don't miss valuable targets. Whether you're a pro or just stepping up your game, this detector sets a new standard for what a high-end machine should be. If you want top-tier performance, this is the one to get. Number 1. Minelab MANTICORE. If you're looking for the absolute best metal detector available today, look no further than the Minelab MANTICORE. This is the most powerful multi-frequency detector ever made, with 50% more power than previous models, giving it unmatched depth, precision, and target separation. Whether you're searching for coins, relics, gold, or hidden treasures, this machine outperforms everything else. What makes the MANTICORE better than the competition? It's powered by Multi-IQ Plus technology, the most advanced simultaneous multi-frequency system out there. This means it detects deeper, more accurately, and with better discrimination than any other detector. The 2D target ID map and rich audio features help you quickly identify valuable finds while filtering out junk. No more wasted time digging up trash. It's also built for any terrain, with 10 search modes, including all-terrain, beach, and goldfield, plus full waterproofing up to 16 feet. Despite its power, it's ultra lightweight and compact, folding down from 56.7 inches to just 24.8 inches for easy transport. Plus, night hunts are a breeze with the built-in flashlight, vibration feedback, and backlit display. Simply put, the Minelab MANTICORE is in a class of its own. If you want the best, this is the metal detector to own. Finding the best metal detectors can make all the difference in your treasure hunting experience, offering precision, durability, and advanced features for all terrains. Whether you're searching for coins, relics, or hidden treasures, investing in one of the best metal detectors ensures greater accuracy and efficiency. With customizable settings, waterproof options, and lightweight designs, these devices make detecting easier and more enjoyable. However, getting the best metal detectors is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.